How to get verified on Instagram? Watch this video till the end. To start off, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Then click on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner. From there, tap the hamburger icon at the top right. Next, select the account center at the top of the list. After that, scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on Meta Verify to access the verification option. Here, click on Unlock Benefit to start the sign-up process. Now review the subscription fee shown for the monthly verification service. If everything looks good, hit Continue and enter your payment details to finalize the process. Once you complete this step, Instagram will review your submission, and if approved, your profile will receive the verified badge. And that's it. I hope this video helped.